Hello everyone, it's me again. It's Sharon here and welcome to my business page, Sharon Repucas. And I am here to show you my little garden of succulents. So today I've pruned a little bit some of my succulents in my front yard because there's quite a lot of succulents which is outside of my fencing already. So I thought of pruning it and put it in a bed of one of my succulent bed, which I'm gonna show you. So this first thing, I'm gonna show you the succulents bed that I've have in my front yard. It's not a lot of type. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably about 5 types of succulents. So maybe in the future I'm gonna add some more. So this is just what I've got at the moment. So I'll show you. It's windy in here. So this is the bed, the first bed. It's longish, so that's my lavender. And so this is the bed of succulents that I've got. So I've got big ones here, big ones, and this like I'm not sure actually what does it called, so help me out if you know what does it called. If you are a succulent lover, tell me what's the name of the flower. I'm not good at the names, but this one is nice. It's like a chili pepper for me, but it's nice. And this one, I've got lots of big ones here, and this one is my favorite because it looks like a flower. Okay, an ant bit me. Okay, this one is the one I love, and I put some in here as well. And this is the little one. I love this one too because it's very small, it's very tiny, and if it's a lot, it's really very it's really beautiful. So you can see on the fence out there, there's a lot that's coming out on the other side of my neighbor, but that's fine. And there is actually a lot from our outside in here outside. So I've already pruned, I've got some, and here it is. Don't eat it, Chubs. Okay, my baby is eating it. And that's the succulents that I have pruned. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put it in here. So this is one of my succulent beds, which I put most of the succulents together, and it's not a lot, but there's still more space to put. This one I just put it here. Succulents is very, I love the succulents because it's very easy to plant it, and you don't need much of the water because there's a water content in it, and it's just easy to plant it. You just put it there, in a few weeks it will just pop up and bloom. So this is the one. It's very new. It's very new. I just put it there, and my baby tore this apart. Maybe I'll just put it here so it will get more buds in it, and it will grow. Oh, I moved it. Okay, I put some in here. So what I do, I will just let it grow. I'll put it on the side like that, and I'll just let it go until a new bud will come out from there. So in this bed, I only have this one, the big ones, and a lot of this green flower succulents. So what I'm gonna do, and this one is very nice too. If it's a lot, in the morning this flower will bloom, and in the afternoon it will just gone off, and then the next morning it will bloom again. That's why I love this, and I want to have plenty of this. So what am I going to do? I am going to prune a little bit, and I will put more on this side, so it will get, or maybe on this side, like on the, like I'm going to put like a hedge here, right? Like a hedge, and then I can put the big ones here and more of this on the side, right? So yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, can you just here hold it, Sab, hold it. Just hold it, because I want to show them how I do the pruning. So this is the big ones that I've caught. So just this one. So what I'm gonna do is just okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just put it right here, right here.
Just to replant them in a different spot?
Yes, yes. Just replant them. And then I will prune some of this.
Some of them to give space.
Some of them to give some space. And also I want it to be right here, like a hedge on the side here. Because this is nice when the flower blooms.
Mommy, and can you open this? Wait.
Somebody asked me to open it while I'm doing a go live.
Okay.
Okay, stop. So I'll just cut it like that, and then I will put it like this, and wait for it to grow. My baby is helping. Thank you, Chops. So it will grow here. Yeah, it'll just grow it there. And this one, just put it there. I don't know. Oh, there's another one here.
Yeah.
So just gentle. Make sure it's gentle, and you're not gonna hurt the roots or anything. And then you put it there. Just put it there. Chops, careful, huh? Yeah. And then after that, just a little bit. So, if you know the name of these succulents, feel free to tell me their names. I can Google it up, but a lot of succulents actually, and sometimes they look quite the same for me. So I've got another big one here, and then I'm just gonna put here in the middle, so just to make a decoration. You just want a little bit of decoration. So like this, my baby cut it off, so don't throw it away. Just put it on the side where you want that to bloom, and then it will just grow. Okay. So this one, there's little ones here. I can put it on the side here. Put it here. And this one here, so that if this one blooms, there's a big ones here. Right? put all of that. So you can put that in. And right there. This. So right here. Just put it here so that it will bloom. Once it blooms, and then the other one I can put it outside. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.